Hello everyone, hi, namaskar, adab, sat sri akal. You are watching Crime Tak English. I welcome all of you to Crime Tak family and I hope everyone part of this family is doing well and fine. Today I am going to talk about a very sensitive topic and a very sensitive person, Sushant Singh Rajput. And not only today, for next 6 days, I am going to talk about Sushant Singh Rajput. Rather, we will have conversation about Sushant Singh Rajput. We will talk about his childhood, his school days, his college days, from college to making it to silver screen and then becoming one of the most popular, critically acclaimed actors of Bollywood. A person who was loved by everyone, a very jolly person. And we will also talk about his love for astrophysics, his love for sky, stars, NASA, moon. And you know, Sushant Singh Rajput, because I have met Sushant Singh Rajput, I had a very little interaction, brief interaction with Sushant Singh Rajput, but I do remember that conversation. We will talk about that conversation also. We will also speak to people who were close to Sushant Singh Rajput. And no, till date, whenever I think of Sushant Singh Rajput, it's a very emotional moment. And not only for me, I think for everyone it's an emotional moment because Sushant Singh Rajput left us too early. It was very untimely. Many things were expected from him. And no, we have seen many actors, we have seen many successful people. But a combination of a beautiful person from heart, an emotional person, a jolly person who has helped everyone. Till date, I have not heard a single thing against Sushant Singh Rajput that this person got into trouble because of Sushant Singh Rajput. Never. So we're gonna talk about Sushant Singh Rajput for next 6 days. Today it will be in episodes. Today I'm going to talk about Sushant Singh Rajput, the man himself. Sushant Singh Rajput, born on 21st January 1986 to a middle class family in Patna of Bihar. Now, about Sushant's family, father was a government employee, mother housewife, father's name Krishna Kumar Singh, mother Usha Singh. And father was then, when Sushant was born, then father was working with Bihar State Handloom Corporation in Patna. Now, about family, Sushant Singh Rajput had 4 sisters and Sushant was youngest. He was loved by everyone. Now, Sushant was close to all the family members and till his last breath, he was close to everyone. You may have heard about many reports saying otherwise, but what I have heard that Sushant Singh Rajput was very close to his family. And now, before I move it to his school days, there are some photographs I want to show how Sushant Singh Rajput was when he was a small kid. Sushant Singh Rajput in a white kurta. Again, this is a black and white photo of Sushant Singh Rajput. You can see a lovable child, you can say. And this is the photo, I love it. See this photo of Sushant Singh Rajput wearing kajal and tika. Now, about this kajal, in North India, when kids are very small, newborn babies, you can say, then mothers and grandmothers, they put kajal in eyes. So basically, the concept is, or whatever you want to say, basically the thinking behind it is that when you'll put kajal, then your eyes will be big when you are growing. So in this photo also you can see the amount of kajal, but it's a very cute photo. And the tika, you can say, this tika is basically najar ka tika. So basically, it's a myth, you can say, that if you put kajal or nazar ka tika, then your kid will be safe. This is what is very famous in North India now. Very rare you will see, mostly in villages. But after this photo, I, I revisited my childhood. Now, about Sushant Singh Rajput, before I talk to you anything more, this is Sushant Singh Rajput with his father when he was kid, little bit at this point of time, and Sushant was very close to his mother. See this photo, this photograph of Sushant Singh Rajput with mother, again kid. So this was childhood of Sushant Singh Rajput when he was kid, when he was not going to school, and because he was youngest in all 5 siblings, he was loved by everyone. You know, the sisters used to love Sushant Singh Rajput, of course mother, father, relatives, everyone used to love Sushant Singh Rajput. And then Sushant Singh Rajput started his school days. He went to St. Karen's High School. It's in Patna. I have also got photograph of that school. Here it is, I think. This is St. Karen's School, good school in Patna. This is a recent photo. It was during a function in school. So everything was fine till 2002 when Sushant Singh Rajput was studying. He was a very scholar person also. He had interest in study, and during school days also he was someone, you know, you in this photo you can see what a good personality. So this is a school days photo of Sushant Singh Rajput. This is a very handsome photograph of Sushant Singh Rajput, you can see. So a tall, handsome young chap, you can say. And this photograph is during the birthday celebration of Sushant Singh Rajput, holding a balloon, everyone is smiling, and it's a very, I think it's a very cute photograph of Sushant Singh Rajput. But what happened, my friend, is that in 2002, you know, Sushant Singh Rajput lost his mother. Sushant's life took a very ugly turn in 2002 when he lost his mother. And people who are close to Sushant Singh Rajput, they have told me that it was the most difficult phase for Sushant. And from that day, the day he lost his mother to the day he left us, he missed his mother every day. He wrote poem for mother, he wrote letters to mother, and you know, losing a mother is naturally something which is very difficult to handle, very difficult to tackle. But for Sushant, I think he loved his mother most in his life. And when he lost his mother, then it was something, you know, he was very disturbed by the fact that he has lost his mother. It was a very difficult phase for him. But you know, in life you have to move on. So Sushant Singh Rajput, later on, he along with the family, the entire family shifted to Delhi, and then he started going to Kulachi Hansraj Model School. So there also Sushant Singh Rajput started studying, and you know, he then later on he started going to college. He was a science student, a very bright science student, and then he got admission in Delhi College of Engineering. This is a photograph of this college. If you can see, this is the photograph of the college. So he started going to the college, and what was his love was astrophysics. He also won the National Olympiad in physics. So this was the college life of Sushant Singh Rajput, a very famous one. You know, the celebration, this was during the fest. It's a photo which is not very clear, but here you can see, I think here, this person is Sushant Singh Rajput. So this was during the fest. Also Coca-Cola NG Fest 2005, Delhi College of Engineering. You can see the board behind. Okay. So he was loved by everyone. This person was loved by everyone. But Sushant Singh Rajput never wanted to become an engineer. During an interview, he said that he has love for astrophysics, but he doesn't want to do engineering. It was only under family pressure that he got admitted to this engineering college, and because he was scholar, he was getting good marks and everything. There was no problem at all when it came to study. But later on, he dropped out of college, and then he moved to Mumbai. When he moved to Mumbai, then he joined a theatre, he joined a dancing class of Shamak Dhawa, and after that he stepped into silver screen. So, initially it was his, craze for movies, his craze, his, film, favorite actor was Shah Rukh Khan, and when he was with Shamak Dhawa, trying to become a dancer, then in Dhoom 2, the movie, very famous movie of Hrithik Roshan and Aishwarya Rai, in that movie he was a background dancer. So it was a big achievement for Sushant Singh Rajput that finally I have made it to my dream. But later on, it's a very difficult, this career of an artist is the most difficult career. You can become an engineer, you can become a doctor, you can become an IS, you can become an IPS, but making it to silver screen or Bollywood is something where it is not only about your hard work, it is about your smart work, your love, everything, how much you are liked by the people. And Sushant Singh Rajput was liked by everyone. And later on, when he was working, with the Prithvi Theatre, and then he was spotted by a person who was working for Balaji Telefilms of Ekta Kapoor. And there the person spotted, and he spoke to Sushant Singh Rajput. Sushant was initially hesitant about it, but later on, when he got to know that this person works for Balaji Telefilm, he was interested, and then he was casted as second lead for a television serial called Desh Mein Hai Mera Dil. This was in 2008. So now you can see, 2008 he stepped in silver screen, and there is a photograph I have, and this photograph was the first shot of Sushant Singh Rajput. See, this is the first shot of Sushant Singh Rajput, and there is another one, this photograph you can see. This was the first photograph of Sushant Singh Rajput when he started acting in that serial. Later on, he was given another serial called Pavitra Rishta. Now, Pavitra Rishta, a very famous one. Immediately you will understand what I am talking about. So, in Pavitra Rishta, he was in a lead role, and there started his love story of life, which I'll talk about it later. But then Sushant Singh Rajput, when he was working for Pavitra Rishta, the first time I met Sushant Singh Rajput was when he was in this serial, Pavitra Rishta. So this I have not told to anyone. Today I am going to disclose about it. When I started my career, and before I started my career rather, to be precise, when I was in college days, then in journalism you need to do some internship with the news channels. And in Mumbai, because I studied in Mumbai, when I was in second year of college in Hinduja College, University of Mumbai, then I applied for internship with Aaj Tak and India Today. So I got the internship, but basically initially what I was told to do, for 1 month I was asked to cover these cinema stars, and not the Bollywood stars. It was only limited to the television stars. So there was a senior who tasked me to go to the sets of Pavitra Rishta, speak to Sushant Singh Rajput and other actors of Pavitra Rishta, and then I met Sushant Singh Rajput for the first time. Now, till then I had seen Sushant Singh Rajput only on television. I knew that in my family people watch this serial. People known to me used to watch this serial like, it is very customary. It's customary in family to watch this serial at that point of time. So, I'm talking about 2000, late 2000, I think it was 2009-10. So there I met Sushant Singh Rajput, and it was late night, around 11:30, 12. They were shooting late night, and when I approached Sushant Singh Rajput for an interview, and when I spoke to him, I requested for an interview. He agreed immediately. He spoke to me, he asked me whether I had my dinner and all, what do I do, how is my college life, everything he talked about in a very brief interaction. And it was a very good interaction. I was very happy that day that finally I met this big star, and who is liked by everyone. There is a fan following. And since then, he never looked back. And later on, he started applying for even movies, and not only applying, because every time he was spotted by people. So when he was working for Pavitra Rishta, he was spotted by Mukesh Chhabra. He was a casting director. So Mukesh Chhabra spotted him in 2011 and immediately approached him, asked him about doing a movie, and then he got his first break. The first movie was Kai Poche. This was the movie Kai Poche. You'll well remember, I think. Sushant Singh Rajput was even lead actor. Then again one movie came, Shuddh Desi Romance, again a very successful movie. And this Kai Poche was also a very commercially very successful and critically also acclaimed by everyone. So this is how Sushant Singh Rajput's life was. Now apart from that, he always loved astrophysics. He had passion for sky, moons and everything. And he bought a land on moon. He was in touch with NASA. He did many courses on astrophysics. There are photographs of Sushant Singh Rajput watching the stars. This is the photograph you will see. Sushant Singh Rajput with his telescope. He got it installed at his Mumbai residence. See these photographs. It's in balcony. So that is what his love was. But life is not very simple. On June 14 last year, Sushant lost his life. Now this was a shock for everyone, for the entire country, for people who love Bollywood, people who have seen Sushant Singh Rajput, people who have seen movies of Sushant Singh Rajput, people who even never knew Sushant Singh Rajput personally, but everyone was heartbroken, and so was I. And this is why, in next 6 episodes, I will talk about Sushant Singh Rajput. Today I spoke about his childhood to making it to Bollywood. Now, in next coming days, we will talk about his personal life, the people he dated, the people he loved, his family, sisters, everything we will talk about tomorrow. And tomorrow 10 o'clock, my friends, I want you guys to tune in to Crime Tak English, 10 p.m. sharp. The video will be uploaded, and from 10 p.m. you can watch the next episode on Sushant Singh Rajput, because next 6 days I am going to dedicate to our loved one, Sushant Singh Rajput. Now thank you so much for watching this. If you want me to tell anything about Sushant Singh Rajput, if you have any questions about Sushant Singh Rajput, do let me know. I will try my best to answer your queries, because I know there are millions and billions of people who are still waiting for justice for Sushant. Thank you so much.